Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. I am so thrilled to be making this video for you guys today because I'm going to talk about habits that will change your life for the better. And not only they are physical habits, but also mental habits. So if you really want to change your life for the better and become someone unrecognizable, you should really keep on watching this video. So the first habit we are going to talk about is making your bed. And I know I probably sound like your mom right now, you know? Make your bed, you need to make your bed, this is a mess, just make your bed. Making your bed will not only make you feel good because you're getting into a made bed at night, but will also mean a lot for the success throughout your day. And if you do this first thing in the morning, that means you're already winning and achieving a small win even before you have your first sip of coffee. This will subconsciously motivate you to achieve thousands and thousands of small wins throughout your day. And you know, small wins eventually lead to big ones. So really imagine this as being like a full puzzle, you know? Imagine the success of your day being a puzzle. See it as this: you can't finish a puzzle without one piece, you know? The last piece to complete your puzzle is just one, but it means a lot because you need that one piece to actually finish your puzzle. Same thing with starting your puzzle. You need to start your puzzle with one piece and eventually, you know, another piece, another piece, another piece, and you create this big, beautiful puzzle. But you need that one piece to start and that one piece to finish. So you really have to see this as like a puzzle, and each piece represents a small win. So if you start by the small ones, this will lead to the bigger ones. And this is how you actually start achieving success, not only throughout your day, but throughout your life. So this is why this habit is so important, because everything starts small, okay? Success, you need to start small. So this is a really perfect habit for you to start your day. So this next habit is creating a to-do list. Making a to-do list is a revolutionary hack that you can do every day, but how are you actually setting your priorities straight when you're always reviewing what has to get done every day? Before doing your next to-do list, make sure you ask yourself this question: where do I want to be in 5 to 10 years from now? Everything in that to-do list should actually be taking you one step closer to those long-term goals as well. For example, let's say you want to strategize your business growth, and for that, you can take a 30-minute online class. Or let's say you want to be more active. For that, you can do like a 15 to 20-minute workout every day. All of this means that even the simplest tasks can have a long-term perspective on your life. Creating a to-do list with goals in mind will show you where you should be spending more time and where you should be spending less time. And I mean, of course, you'll always have to do those boring house chores and boring tasks that you really don't like to do, but figure out where you can outsource these items. Then prioritize what will get you closer to your goals first and make sure to get it done. Our third habit is reading more. Reading books is a great way of gaining knowledge and stimulating creativity. It can also improve your focus, and it has a calming effect similar to meditation. Besides that, reading before bedtime can help you sleep better. Nonfiction books are actually a very good option to broaden your horizons, develop new ideas, and seek motivation. Our next habit is saying no when you mean no. How often do you avoid saying no when you actually want to say no? doing favors for other people when you already stretched too thin, saying yes to plans you're not actually excited about, or hanging out with your friends just to avoid FOMO. One of the most powerful things you can do for yourself is say what you mean and stay true to what you need. Master the art of saying no. Say, for example, your friends invite you to go out, but you actually prefer to stay in your house and watch Netflix. That's okay. You just have to be honest with your friends and say what you mean and what you really need. And if they are really your friends, they will understand you, I promise. The next habit is about social media, and it is mute or unfollow most social media accounts. You may be the sum of the 5 people you spend most of your time with, but you are also the sum of the 5 people you consume on Instagram. If these accounts that you are following are not making you feel happy, confident, or inspired, stop following them right now. Instead, follow people whose careers you admire, that bring positivity into your life and that inspire you. Also, rethink whether bloggers, celebrities, or brands, and if their posts are actually bringing you inspiring content, or if they're just making you feel bad about where you are in life. Another example is for you to stop following that frenemy that you had in high school, or your sister's ex-boyfriend cousin that you actually met a few times. All of these examples are included, and they are also a reminder that you should stop watching other people's lives. Instead of that, go live your own life. The next habit is getting more sleep. I know, easier said than done. Even if the idea of getting more sleep might sound impossible, don't worry, because it's just the habit, just like every other habit that you know. Detox your sleep routine. If you have trouble sleeping, if you happen to have insomnia or something like that, you can also search for the best products to help you sleep better. Or maybe you could stop being on your damn phone before you go to sleep. You can also try and go to bed 5 minutes earlier than the night before until you actually wake up feeling refreshed and energized instead of waking up looking like a zombie. And can we please stop hitting the snooze button? It's just confusing your body, and if you're going to sleep early enough, you should wake up naturally and easily. The next habit is eating more leafy greens. Getting healthier is not always a dramatic transformation. In fact, it's just a series of small habits and minor additions to your diet that actually end up snowballing into a healthier lifestyle that is good for you. Don't go on crazy diets and limit what you can or cannot eat, because that will only lead to binging or to an unhealthy relationship with food. Instead, add leafy greens to at least 2 meals a day. For example, you can add spinach to your smoothie or to your omelet, or you can add kale to your soup, or maybe to a pasta sauce. And when you go out and you're eating out, you can always opt for a salad. Let's move on to the next habit, and that is making time for exercise. I recently spoke about this same habit on one of my previous videos, but I cannot stop talking about how good of an habit this actually is. Other than improving your physical health, working out and making time for exercise actually pumps up your creativity and enhances your cognitive skills. It's also an effective way to build endurance and get energized. And if you are still not convinced, exercising actually elevates your mood because it boosts the production of endorphins, hormones that actually act as natural antidepressants. So, after all of what I just said, do you still need more reasons to work out? The next habit is mastering the art of listening. Effective communication is a crucial part when it comes to cultivating professional and personal relationships. And listening is central to communication. Pay attention to what others have to say. It will not only make them feel valued, but will also help you understand them better and gain a different perspective. Don't try to monopolize the conversation or fake your attention while your mind is busy figuring out what you should eat for dinner. Listen to what they have to say and what they really mean, and take note of the nonverbal cues as well. The more you listen, the more you learn. Why do you think our ears are above our mouths? And right now we have reached the final habit of today's video. That is invest in self-care. Taking some time off to unwind can do wonders for your mood, mental health, and self-esteem. Do at least one thing every day that makes you feel good. Listen to your favorite song, learn a new skill, take a long bubble bath, or prepare yourself a nice meal. Whatever makes you feel happy. Developing these habits requires determination, constant effort, and loads of patience. Maybe it will take a few weeks, or maybe more than a year even. It doesn't really matter how long it takes for you to build the habit or the habits, as long as you don't give up. We have reached the end of today's video. I really hope you liked it and it helped you in some way. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave your like and share this video with everyone you know so we can grow and grow this family even more. I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys!